What's happening, y'all? Chris Bone here for County Kitchen and Meat Off the Bone. Welcome back. Happy 246th birthday to the U.S. Marines. Thank you for your service, y'all. I was looking at like I was in my fridge actually that last night, and I made chicken last night. Made some oven baked chicken thighs, and since the holiday season's coming up, the Thanksgiving is like later on, like next week. Let's see, Christmas, New Year's, and all that. You're gonna find yourself with a lot of leftovers. Okay, chicken leftovers, ham leftovers, turkey leftovers, of course. And you're gonna have, you need to. I want to show you how to kind of utilize your leftovers so it's not the same old meal, the same old, okay, chicken again or turkey again, okay. You know, I'm gonna start small, but I'm gonna, you know, work my way up and stuff. So bear with me. Today, since I have leftover chicken that I had last night, it's been sitting in my fridge. I'm gonna show you all how to make a Southwest chicken salad sandwich. All right. It's real easy, and I'm only going to do one serving. You know, a lot of people have a lot of chicken or a lot of turkey that they have to feed their family, but some of us who live alone, we only have ourselves to feed, so I'm going to only show you how to do one serving and not a smorgasbord of a plethora of food. So let's get started here. There's lots of ways of doing chicken salad sandwich. I mean, it's easy. Really, all you need is chicken, celery, onion, some mayonnaise, and then whatever else you want to put into it. Me, of course, being myself, I always put a twist on everything that I do. So even though I'm using some scallions here, I also like a little bit of red onion because I really do like onion. Cheese, tomato, and I'm gonna toast this brioche, or that's not brioche. It's a potato roll. That's a kind of a potato hamburger roll, hamburger bun. And this is just a little bit of barbecue sauce because it can't be Southwest without some barbecue sauce, of course. So let's just get started on here. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is, I'll put some gloves on because we're gonna rip this chicken apart. Some people like to heat their chicken up before they rip it apart because it's a little bit easier to handle. Man, I go right into it. Yeah, good looking chicken. I made chicken and red rice last night. That's what this chicken is, and if you saw any some peppers and onions stuck to the chicken, that's what from it was. You don't want the grizzle, you just want the meat. Get as much meat as you can, possibly. It seems like there's a lot here, but I don't know if that's grizzle. That's grizzle right there, so. Okay, throw that away. That's grizzle, that's grizzle. All right, well, like I said, I'm only gonna making for one person. That's all trash. Goodbye. Now, what I can do, which I'm going to do actually, is gloves up for now. Some people just like to have it pulled like this. Yeah, I like to cut them up. Yes, you can use the skin if you want. You don't have to. It just gives it a little bit more volume to your sandwich. Plus, I like the skin. Now, one chicken thigh technically can make two sandwiches, like two medium-sized to small sandwiches, or one hefty size, Chris Bone size sandwich, which is exactly what I want. One hefty, nice size Chris Bone sandwich. Voila. Wonderful. Okay. Now you have a chicken ready. This is about maybe a tablespoon of mayonnaise. You know what? I'm not even going to use that much. I'll probably use a half a tablespoon of mayonnaise just for now. I'm probably going to use the rest of it. But what I want to do is I just want to coat all the chicken together, but without over saucing it. If you over sauce your chicken, some people like the taste of mayonnaise, but it'll just really like taste really mayonnaise, like nothing but mayonnaise. Because chicken has everyone knows what chicken tastes like, but it doesn't have a very powerful flavor. And if you put too much mayonnaise in, you'll cover up the flavor of the meat. See, right about here, this is about all I need. This is actually kind of perfect. It's just enough mayonnaise to kind of like tie all of it together without it falling apart, you know. And now I'm just going to use a little bit of, just a little bit, maybe a half a tablespoon, not even that, maybe a quarter of a tablespoon. I just want to get a hint of the barbecue. Even though barbecue is a very powerful flavor, it does go a long way. It is going to be not overly barbecue, but you're gonna definitely taste the barbecue sweetness. Another sauce you could put in, if you don't like barbecue, you can put in a ranch if you have ranch. Some people like to put blue cheese in their chicken salads. It's almost like if you like blue cheese on your wings, that's you know, it's like a blue cheese chicken salad sandwich. You know, there's so many ways. Just chicken is so versatile. Okay, now that that's taken care of, I'll put this right chop. And now I'm gonna just cut in. I'm gonna half these. You don't need a lot. I mean, this is really what you might find in your refrigerator. If you don't have scallions, you can use regular onions. But most people have, you know, the celery, and you want to chop the celery really fine. Not hair thin fine, but small enough to, like, you know, to get get some celery in each individual bite that you'll take of the sandwich. No, don't fall apart on me. I'm not doing it right. Oh well. Okay. And nice scallions. Take this piece off first. Always cut the end of your scallion off. And if you cut it off enough where the roots are, plant the roots. You can actually regrow it. Just a little FYI. Same with celery. If you cut the total bottom, the white piece off of the celery and plant it, it'll start growing again. And like romaine lettuce, this type of lettuce, cut the bottom part of it off, which I'm going to do right now. Where it's all stuck together, plant it. Actually, in the back, I have lettuce growing right now as we speak. I shouldn't be using a serrated knife for this job. What am I thinking of? Oh well. Yeah, serrated knives on most vegetables, not very good because they have a tendency to the serrations will drag the I want to say that the stalkiness, the stalk of whatever you're cutting. Instead of cutting it smooth, they'll kind of rip it. So that's why you should always use a non-serrated knife when you're cutting vegetables. But if you only have a serrated knife like I do, haha. Actually, that's a lie. I really do. I do have a non-serrated, you know, knife right here. I just didn't feel like reaching over and getting it because I'm lazy. Okay. Stir this up. A lot of people will like to dice up a little bit of tomato and put it in there. I am going to abstain because my tomato right here is just going to go on my sandwich. And this is looking great. I mean, this is it. It's so easy, so simple, so easy, and it tastes amazing. All right, let's go ahead and what I'm gonna do is, this is already on. I'll put my pan on here. Heat it up a little bit. Bring on the butter. And my bread. Now you don't have to toast your bread, but I am, because I like it. But yes, that butter, yeah, the pan is hot. All right, now put your bread in over the butter. I put the stove on high. You do want it as high as possible because you're not cooking the bread, you're just trying to toast the bread. You can see the outsides are already getting toasted. That's exactly what you want. It's not going to take long at all, maybe 30 seconds. See it smoking? Look at that. Voila, perfect. Just like restaurant quality. That's what they do at restaurants. Okay. Cheese, of course. You can put mayonnaise on your bun if you want or whatever, but we have mayonnaise and barbecue sauce already in the salad, so you know, why would you do that? 2 pieces of lettuce. I am definitely going to use my onions. Looking like a great sandwich right now. And yeah, see, I do have enough for 2 sandwiches. I probably will make another sandwich, but probably off camera. Look at that. Wow. If you haven't put any barbecue sauce in your chicken sandwich or chicken salad, do it. I get all the flavors, the creaminess of the mayonnaise, the sweetness of the barbecue, the flavor of the barbecue, but it's not overpowering. I can still taste the flavor of the chicken, plus the onions, and I get a bite of the celery. Perfect, 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 perfect. You could not ask for a better sandwich than that. Look at this. That's a pretty looking sandwich. Now, let me warn you, it will be messy when you eat it, so have a couple of napkins ready, you know, for you. And I still have some left over for maybe a snack or maybe another sandwich after I'm done with this one. Well, there you have it. Quick, easy, delicious way to utilize some of the leftover chicken, turkey, ham, whatever that you have left over. Make a sandwich out of it. You can do the same thing with ham, the same way. And maybe I'll show you on another video. But until then, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for the support. My name is Chris Bone. This is Meat Off the Bone and Counting Kitchen. Have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.